Hello everyone, today is the third day of the Chinese National Day holiday. I'm still on vacation, but since there are too many customized jewelry orders for holiday seasons, I need to catch up with all my work while Chico is sleeping. And I also want to share my creation with you. And this customer, she fell in love with my new item, Nephrite Jade necklace, and hope that I can use this piece to make a simple design of 108 prayer beads for her, which can be used for chanting and can be worn daily as a necklace. These beautiful nephrite beads come from Russian mine. I'm not sure if you know that the Russian nephrite mines have many black mineral spots or black lines. But these black minerals are not flaws. They are one of the important minerals that form a beautiful green color. And in order to provide the best items to our customers, the factory workers cut the raw materials without black spots, piece by piece, and then make them into beads, which is the quality you see now. Well, I also kept one for myself and I'm wearing it. So the total length of this necklace is 18 inches, about 56 beads in total. So my customer needs to purchase 2 to make the 108 prayer beads. Well, to me, high quality stones do not require excessive decoration. Simple designs can highlight its own beauty. So I'm gonna use elastic cord to thread the 108 beads and then use a rosewood lotus bead and several smaller nephrite as finishing touches to this prayer beads. Okay, the first step, let me pick one bead with a larger hole. I think this one is pretty good. Okay, and then I will use a braided cord. Thread this bead. And you will know what I will do with this later. Second step, now use 4 elastic cord to thread the 107 beads. Now 107 beads are threaded. The last one, we thread this. Okay, and then we tie knots. Now we hide the knot in this bead. Alright, after tying the knot, it will look like this. And then I will tie a snake knot here. See how it looks. And add the lotus bead here. I think tie one more knot. 2 snake knots here. And then I will thread the lotus bead. And tie snake knots again. Okay. I'm gonna add the smaller nephrite beads here. 5 beads on each side. I think it looks cool. And then tie knot. Okay. Cut. That's how it looks. So pretty. That's how it looks on my neck. Simple but elegant. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Chico. Hey, Chico Day. Chico. Hi. Say hi.